Yeah, well, I can think about a child, so where are they? Oh. You know me.
Sure. Just was wondering where they were.
What are you doing, Sadie? What are you doing to that towel, Sadie? Uh-huh. Is that your towel?
Hey, could you throw me down another...
Are you supposed to be molesting that towel?
Well, I really don't want to carry these in my...
Has someone given you permission to molest that towel? I don't believe they have. She goes, uh-oh, they're coming to get me. Better molest it some more, fast.
The bags upstairs, or... That's what in that in at night.
God, I don't wipe my face on it. Feels so good. She's just busy. Quiet.
See that white DVD?
Oh, she bites it.
Yeah, take it back.
She says, stop filming me. Leave me alone with the towel.
I think your cat's nuts.
I think you've lost it.
Oh man, that's just ridiculous.
Is that your towel? He says no.
Which side are you getting her from?
Well, she was facing this way a second ago, so I was shooting her, but now she's facing that look. That was good. She's like, are you filming me? Oh, now you're facing that way again.
Not the white.
He says, stop filming. Leave me alone in the dark with the towel. That's all I ask.
I need the plug so I can put it in this bag, and I need the phone by my bed.
Same one.
Yeah, it's in this bag right here. Where's your phone? Just make sure you put it on the stuff there so we bring it down.
You know, this is awfully pitiful.
You don't need to bring the plug down.
This is so pitiful.
Just put it there so I can put it in here in the morning.
You are so pitiful. Don't fall off the chair. Oh, girl, you're so cute. You're gonna fall off the chair here in a second.
She's a penny.
Are you going to pull them over or are you going to...
Are you supposed to be molesting that towel?
Aren't you going to walk your baby?
I walked myself an hour thinking that's a long walk.
No, there's probably something on there I wouldn't mind watching.
I'm just going to watch the Olympics.
I'll do that. That's fine.
Mm-hmm. Is that your towel? He says, stop filming. I'm embarrassed. Are you done?